Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to learn a valuable skill that every woodworker should know: how to cut holes in wood. Whether you're working on a home improvement project or crafting something special, this skill will come in handy. So let's get started. Step 1. Gather the materials. Before we begin, let's make sure we have everything we need. You will require the following. 1. A sturdy workbench. 2. A quality drill press or a handheld drill. 3. Appropriate drill bits, paddle, spade, or hole saw, depending on the hole size. 4. A clamp, if using a handheld drill. 5. Safety goggles. 6. Measuring tape. 7. Pencil. 8. Would you want to cut the hole in? Step 2. Measure and mark the hole. Measure the location and size of the hole you want to cut. Use a measuring tape and a pencil to mark the center of the hole accurately. You can use a template or a compass for circular holes. Step 3. Set up the drill press. If you're using a drill press, make sure it's securely placed on your workbench. Adjust the table height to match the wood's thickness and install the appropriate drill bit for the hole size you need. Step 4. Secure the wood. For safety and precision, clamp your wood securely to the workbench. This will prevent the wood from moving while you cut the hole. Step 5. Start drilling. Now comes the exciting part. If you're using a drill press, turn it on and lower the drill bit onto the marked spot on the wood. Gently apply pressure to the drill, allowing it to cut through the wood. Keep the drill straight to ensure a clean hole. Step 6. Clear with chips, for handheld drills. If you're using a handheld drill, drill a shallow pilot hole first. Then, periodically remove the drill to clear away with chips, preventing them from clogging the hole. Step 7. Adjust speed and pressure. For larger holes or denser wood, use a lower speed setting and apply steady, even pressure. Take your time to achieve the best results and avoid overheating the drill bit. Step 8. Sand and finish. Once you've cut the hole, you may notice rough edges. To make it smooth, use sandpaper to sand the edges carefully. If desired, apply a finish to the wood for added protection and a polished look. Congratulations! You've just learned how to cut holes in wood. With this skill, you can take on more advanced woodworking projects and bring your creative ideas to life. Remember to prioritize safety by wearing your safety goggles and using the appropriate tools for the job. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more DIY tips, and share it with your fellow woodworkers. Thanks for watching, and happy woodworking!